Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. I have granite countertops and you're supposed to seal them at least every 6 months to a year. And I had realized it's been a year since I have sealed the countertops. So in order to do that, you have to take everything off of the countertops and then put some spray or whatever it is. And I found this ceramic coating from Amazon, which works marvelously. I can seal the granite, plus it works on your refrigerator front and my microwave front and the oven. Now what it does on the refrigerator stove and the microwave, it makes it smudge proof. It keeps the fingerprints from being everywhere every day on there when you put it on there. Now, as for the instructions, you have to really clean the countertops. Make sure that they're clean, or the appliances that you're putting on. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm going back through and I'm drying them off to make sure they're totally dry before I start putting the product on, because you have to clean it, then you have to make sure it's dry and ready for this product. Now, once you spray it, you have to use a microfiber cloth. Spray on the product. So you spray it on the countertop and then you wipe it down with that and you let it sit for 2 hours before you can put anything back on there. So here I am putting the spray on the counter, and as you're spraying and you go on the other side, you can see what parts you missed, of course, because you can see that what part is still dry and what part is wet. And I really like this coating because it does the job. Now, what I did was I did this side of the kitchen first. And then I ended up having to leave because my husband got sick and I had to rush to the emergency room. So I only did this side, but I came back the next day. Now, as you see down here later on, I'm going to be pointing to the other side of the kitchen. And that's because I have to do that other side. And my plan was to do it then. But, you know, life has its own issues, right? But this product, again, is very good. I love it. It's easy to use. You spray it on with the microfiber cloth and you wipe it down. Now, after 2 hours, if you come back and you still see some product, you're supposed to buff it out and wait at least 20 more minutes for it to dry. And then you can come back and sit your items back on your counter. Okay? So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to go on and let you watch. Well, here I am the next day trying to complete this video. I'm going to put this side of the kitchen back together and then start to put the ceiling on the opposite side of the kitchen. So let's jump into this. Everything is sealed. I'm happy, and I can't wait to show you how it turns out for spring. Now, I want to thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you feel inspired to create a space that's both beautiful and perfectly for you without breaking the bank. Now, don't forget you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I would love to connect with you there. And I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me.